So what are you doing then, sweetie?
Today I'm gonna do about chicken wings. Boiled chicken wing with fish salt.
Oh, okay.
But I don't really do really fish salt, you know, because I know you cannot eat it.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna mix this together
With
the herb from the Thai herb credit.
Nice.
About the ingredient today, we have this chicken wing.
Some lovely chicken wings there.
We have 600 grams.
Oh, I'm not that hungry.
Chili.
Oh, spicy.
I need follow the salt.
The
next, Galangal.
Galangal. Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Garlic,
yeah.
Garlic.
Okay, stay away from us.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Kaffir.
Kaffir lime leaf.
Lime leaves, yeah. Kaffir lime leaves.
Lime.
Lime to go with the kaffir lime leaves.
Coriander.
Okay, good.
Yeah. In Thailand we have a root coriander.
Coriander?
Yeah, in Cambodia they don't have it. I have to use all of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Lovely.
It's fish salt.
Oh, I mean, lovely. You guys in Thailand would love that. Black water.
Black sweet salt.
Swiss salt. Should we just say yes?
Salt,
That's what it is.
yeah.
You know what it is
Salt.
in Thai. Salt. Yeah, we can do that.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, we like that.
Yeah. And
What we got?
palm sugar.
Palm sugar, eh?
Yeah.
Ah.
And now I'm gonna cut about of the herb. This. Leave this and this. Galangal.
Yeah. Good memory.
Okay. And this
Sauce.
coriander.
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 Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice.
Okay. This,
But it works.
We put water in there.
Obviously. Yep.
Put water in
Some
there.
lovely water in there.
Yeah. Not much because today I not want to do much salt.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna
Pop it in.
pop it in.
Oh, it smells good already.
The leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Today we use just 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah. Of palm sugar.
Pop that in.
Yeah. Next.
Okay, next.
Yes, this is fish salt.
Fish salt. Yeah. Not too much of that.
I know you don't like it.
Yeah.
But
Oh, there, I saw that go in.
There's a...
No. No. Don't drown it.
I'm gonna do 4.
Okay.
Oops. 1 tablespoon for the color. And next, a little bit of black pepper. So like,
Yeah, nice. That's a lot of black pepper.
half a teaspoon. The salt we put a little bit first. So
It's looking good, isn't it? Eh? Give it a stir. Oh, yeah, chicken goes in.
yeah,
Ah. Oh, nice.
Some of that. Yeah.
and don't stir it. The chicken before the boiling, we stir it. It means the smell, chicken smell come up like that.
Ah, okay, all right. So don't stir it, otherwise the chicken smell will come up. Put the lid on. I was thinking that as well.
Next, I can do the sauce. You know, sauce. I start with garlic. A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt.
You know why we put salt in? Because the make we munch easy.
You make it easier.
Like when we do like this, it's easy.
Oh, it doesn't fly around everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. You've had 2 tips today so far, guys. That's worth gold.
Yeah. And next, you can take this chili.
Chili. Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Sorry,
Yeah, you don't want it on your hands.
That's it. We're waking up the next door neighbours. Check out the coriander. No, smells good already.
It's just the smell.
I can smell it from here. That'd be the chili.
This is the first time I want you to taste about that salt.
Lovely. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
You never tasted this before, but I want to let you try about that. The chili come at my nose.
Oh, I know.
To put 2 pounds sugar again.
More?
And this.
Okay.
The sugar, these two, because the taste difference. Very sweet higher. This sweet smoother. About palm sugar.
Palm sugar smoother,
yeah.
And the white sugar is higher. Right, so just a little bit. What's that? A little bit of that. 1 teaspoon.
Next.
Okay then. Lime.
Lime.
Okay, squeeze some lime in there. More.
We can't. We don't feel so, my love. This is the real time. Ooh.
Oh, a lie. What do you mean? Ooh.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, no.
Please.
It's nice.
You want water?
Yeah.
You want
No, you carry on. I'll get it. You carry on. I can burn like a dragon. It's lovely, guys. No, the flavour's good. It's I've just boiled my throat.
This bit.
There we go. So there's the sauce done.
Now can you shake about our chicken, right? Open this. If you see that the bubble like this, we take it out. See that? Scoop it out.
You're a good scooper, Mark. Don't stir it, the chicken.
Can't stir now because the boil already.
Oh.
How's this? That is melting.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, now when we boil for 1 hour, we finish that. Now we're gonna turn the heat off, ready to eating. Okay.
Lovely.
Oh. Now time to eat. Come on.
Hungry.
I give this for you because I have a lot of meat more.
Alright, love. Stick it on the side there. Whoa. It's alive, it's alive.
It's alive.
You're supposed to kill it before you put it in there.
So, eat with the dripping sauce, my love.
What? This is the dripping sauce. Okay. What?
This is nice. Eat the chicken with it.
Oh, spicy as well. Oh, that's a kick, isn't it?
Lovely, right? Okay?
Ooh. Oh, it's so spicy.
It's very fresh.
Oh, I'm on fire. Literally sweating. My hands are sweating. I'm going to have to take another shower back.
Thank you for tasting my dipping sauce, my love.
That's good, my mouth can't taste again, is it? Boy.
Good.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Excuse me, I'm on fire. I think I'm going to be on fire for the next week. But if you enjoy the video, please don't be afraid to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to ding that little bell, please ding that little bell. That'll be lovely. And all the updates, you'll get them automatically, which will be great. And if you've got any comments, put them in the comment section so we can make the videos better. You know what I mean? We're not professionals, and we do want to make things better, you know, and more enjoyable for you guys. So if you've got any comments, please add them in there. We won't take offence. We'll just try and do better, you know. we're working with what we've got, you know. So we've got, you know, we haven't got a big kitchen, unfortunately. We've only got what we've got. So, you know, forgive us for that, but that's just the way it is.
We want you to grow with us.
Yeah,
Grow
this
with
is Grow with Hope. So grow
Yeah.
with us. You know, we are the Hope family. So that's why we want you guys to grow with us. And we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.